Hey fellas, we've seen Google fail miserably with their AI overviews. Check it out after this one, link in the description. And other AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and all of these get mixed up and give us things like adding glue to pizza because the cheese isn't sticky. But why does AI mess up? Hopefully, these are trained by human reviewers. So then, why? Well, I've done some extensive research. I mean, asking Gemini, Google, and ChatGPT why. And it seems like it is because of the internet itself. Yes, the AI's best friend, and probably even yours, too. Come on, I mean, who doesn't love the Duolingo bird that lives on the internet chats probably more than your best friend to practice your Spanish lesson? And I'm saying that because it's the internet giving out these weird, inaccurate responses. I mean, the entire reason Google AI overviews or Gemini failed this bad was because of Reddit users giving these sarcastic, comedy, funny answers that as humans can understand as funny or like a joke, but AI thinks that it's actually real and gives us suggestions like this. But then you might have a question. So these valid responses are there, but aren't human reviewers reviewing these responses? Well, the thing is, reviewing these responses one by one is very difficult, especially with these high volumes of people asking these AI questions. Wait! Subscribe right now for more human-like content. Anyways, more than often, these reviewers set up patterns of how questions will be asked on the previous way of how people ask these questions. And if an AI sees a pattern that they trained on, they give a correct answer, hopefully. But if they see an unrecognizable pattern, then it gets confused and just puts out random BS. An example from Google AI Overview says that AI might not be able to identify a rotated object even if it's trained to recognize it in other positions. Because it's not trained on a particular motion, it kind of messes up. But the main factor that causes AI to give these wild, hilarious answers is just internet's biased answers. With thousands of websites being there, each website may have different answers. And you might have a simple Google search to find out your answer, but that Google search will give you millions of results on the same topic. So like for example, if you have cough, if you type in cough symptoms, you'll get a list of viruses and things like that. But if you type in COVID-19 symptoms, you'll see cough as in symptom. So what does cough and COVID have similar? Well, cough is a symptom of COVID, but cough is also a side, like a symptom of other viruses or just the flu or just normal sickness. So how can an AI distinguish between your cough, just regular cough, if it's COVID-19 or regular sickness? If there are millions of responses and millions of viruses, they're on the same symptom of having cough. Well, that's where these kind of mess up. Because there are thousands of results, AI kind of just tries its best to summarize it and give you like all of it at once. And that includes accurate and inaccurate answers. And that's why you should always go to, professionals and never trust on AI or even Google itself or Bing. Never trust the internet. You should go to a professional, a doctor, a lawyer, whatever, to get professional advice. But one more thing is you should subscribe. And you know how I was talking about Google's epic fail? Well,